Hello guys, samahan niyo ako ngayon as we visit Tamashii Nations exhibit dito sa Robinsons Magnolia. And this is a special day kasi ngayon nila ilalabas yung Voltes 5 na bagong toy under the Bandai line, under the Robot Spirits line. So maraming pila ina-expect natin, and sa likod ko ngayon, hindi natin alam kung sino to, pero obviously kung sino. Pero let's go and check it out. Galit po siya dahil hindi na naman naidala yung
wala na naman yung t-shirt.
Sorry na. Mananalo na naman po to. Nandito na naman to. Mananalo. Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa loob and tingnan natin yung mga products na naka-display. Ito ay ang SH Figure Arts Jump Characters, and these are fully posable. Yeah, posable. So this is from My Hero Academia. It's Deku and Bakugo. Tapos another one is from Kaiju number 8. So we've got Rino, this is Kaiju number 9. Si Hoshina, which is really cool guys. Kaiju number 8. Si Ashiro Mina, and the strongest of them all, si Kikoru. Ayan. Shinomiya. Okay. Tapos, ayan si Ian Veneracion nandito. Hello, hello. Meron din tayong Rurouni Kenshin. So we have Kenshin Himura, si Ayoshi Shinomori, and si Hajime Saito, which is a very cool figure if I can say so myself.
Anong paborito mong ano rito?
Bible Black po, Bible Black. Bayan. Okay, so sabihin ko sa inyo, mahal lahat sila mahal. Pero ito yung pinakamahal eh. Recent 45k if I'm not mistaken. And syempre, we're celebrating the road to 50. Road to Chogokin 50th anniversary. So 50 years na sila. So iba-ibang mga products as you can see here. My personal favorite is the Soul of Chogokin. I can only dream of this kasi sobrang mahal. Pero look at the quality, man. Sobrang ganda ng quality. Meron din DX Chogokin line for the Macross lovers there. Meron din Gundam fixed figuration metal composite. So this is made of metal. Okay? Yeah. Metal build is also a popular line. Pero medyo ano siya, ayan, agad. Sobrang for collectors ang talaga yan. Ganda oh. High Metal R. Again, metal build style to. Pero ayan. Fire Valkyrie. And then Metal Robot, the Robot Spirits. Sino to? Rising Freedom. Uy, yung bago. Okay, so ito yung Voltes 5 Legacy. So as you can see, pretty good.
Ay, si Sir Dan pala yan.
Nakabili ka na. Sino naman nakapirma doon? Designer. Chogoski. Kasama yung spaceship.
Bubudulin.
Oy! Pogi! Sir! 3.8 lang, oh. Kuha ka na, sir.
Isang power bank.
Kaka-TF lang natin, ayan. So for today, si Sir Ted. Huwag mo kong aanuhin. Okay, so here we have Tamashination Store. May mga zero. So mga naka-post ng ganyan, zero yan. Okay? Mga zero yan. Pero it's either reissued sila or ano. Tapos itong mga postable, nakikita nyo may mga joints. Ayan ay yung mga SH figure arts talaga. So it's Goku, Kid Goku, Innocent Challenger. So I guess mga special edition to. Ito ay si Z Fighters Goku. Same goes for Naruto. Ayan si Chainsaw Man, si Denji. I think these are all exclusive sa store for this weekend, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So kung Spider-Man and Marvel fans kayo like me, then you would probably want to get this Spider-Gwen with a special color. Ayan o. And then there's a Miles Morales with a different ano rin. I think this is a new issue lang, new figure. Ultraman fans, meron din kayong Trigger Truth, Ultraman Trigger Truth, and si Ultraman. Yes sir, classic. So meron tayong si Furious Rajang from Monster Hunter. This is the new Kamen Rider, si Kamen Rider Gav. I'm not sure where this girl is from. Si Jig ba to? Si Jig nga. Classic si Jig. Saint Seiya is from, Saint Seiya. Sagittarius Seiya. Hindi, iba yun. Ito. Si Grandizer to, iba yun. Pero I think this is statue. So, hindi siya mapopost. Ganyan lang talaga siya. The three Pirate Bros, si Luffy, si Ace, and si Sabo.
Ano doon limited edition na yung Tamashination.
And I will be your host for today. I am P. Mercado. I am a cosplayer and I'm your host for today. And of course, I collect a lot of toys. And of course, I am thrilled to have you all here with me. And today we will be celebrating a very, very great day for collectors and of course enthusiasts like you all here. And of course, we would like to thank Tamashinations, of course, for having Philippines for their ever first pop-up store in our nation, because you know, in our collector society there's a lot of differences that we have to go on. But of course, if you go inside here, there are a lot of IP contests that you can check out. There are a lot of Voltus 5 statues that you can pre-order, and there are exclusive contents such as Super Saiyan Blue and Kamen Rider Kabuto that you can only get here from the Tamashinations first ever pop-up store. And if you guys didn't know, Tamashinations is based from Bandai Spirits in Tokyo. And it is a premier collectible brand from Bandai dedicated to create high-quality toys for us. And to kick off this afternoon, let me introduce to you guys, and let's all welcome the Voltus 5 Legacy Drama Series Director, Mark Reyes.
Good afternoon, and very happy to be here to be part of the launch of the Global Spirits Super Voltus 5 Legacy. Just to put things into perspective, we should be really proud because this is the first Filipino-designed Voltus 5 robot that was manufactured by Bandai for it to come out as an actual toy. So that was one of my dreams when we were doing Voltus 5 Legacies to come up with a certified Japanese manufactured Voltus 5 toy based on our design. So I'm very proud, and the whole Philippines should be proud that we were able to pull this off. And I'd like to thank, of course, everyone who's part of this production, that they invited us, and then we have a couple of the Voltus 5 cast members here, so they'll say hi later. And of course to Mr. Larry Chan and Telesuccess for making this work, and great toys online, of course, and Larson and TJ, who's been part of the legacy and the journey from, if you guys know, 2008 pa to, inumpisahan ng Voltus 5 Legacy that only became an actuality in 2023. So that's how far the journey is. Dumaan pa kami sa pandemic, ang daming pinaghirapan. That's why to see the toy now that you guys can get your hands on, it's really a full circle for me. So mamaya you get a chance to see them and play with it, and then I think we have a special thing to show you also, the prototype of the SMP. You'll see it also, and then this one, I wanted to buy this but they won't allow me to buy it. So we're excited to, Kira-san is gonna be the one to unveil this. Thank you for coming. Thank you for supporting Voltus 5 always.
Yeah!
Thank you so much, Mr. Mark Reyes. And I would like to see what's inside here as well. I have no idea, and later on we'll be the one and the first to see what's the Voltus 5 Legacy statue. And to continue this afternoon, let me call on the lead designer and R&D of Bandai Spirits The Machinations, Mr. Akira Terano.
マラミン・セラミスタ EU Introduction MC Maraming salamat din sa inyong lahat untuk EU dito sa event. Ako po si Akira ng Bandai Spirits na namahala sa paggawa ng Voltus 5 na 3. Maraming salamat sa napakagandang salubong sa akin.
Woo!
はい、ここから日本語で、はい、
こんにち
今回
は。
初めて、日本からフィリピンに来させていただきました。
It's my first time coming to the Philippines.
はい、すでに皆様のボルテス5の愛情が日本人よりも圧倒的に上だということを感じております。
And I can already feel that the love the Filipinos have for Voltus 5 is more than even that of the Japanese.
はい、ボルテス5が生まれた国から来た人間としてとても誇らしいと思っております。
As someone from the country where Voltus 5 was born, this makes me very, very proud.
タマシネーションズの商品は、最新の技術、最新の職人の技で生み出されています。
The products from Tamashii are created with the latest technology and the finest craftsmanship.
はい、きっとボルテス5レガシー自体もフィリピンがそのように生み出されたんだと思っています。
And I believe that the Voltus 5 legacy items are also the same.
今回、超合金魂のボルテス5レガシー世界で初公開の商品だったり、プロモーションビデオを用意させていただきました。
Together with today's world premiere of the Soul of Chogokin Voltus 5 legacy items and other items as well, we have prepared a promotional video.
ぜひご覧になってみてください。
Please take a look at it.
はい、Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Akira Terano. And let's give it up for our two speakers. Let's give a round of applause, please. Hey. And of course, what we are waiting for today. Let me call again Mr. Mark Reyes and Mr. Akira Tamashii. And it's time for the reveal of Voltus 5 Legacy statue. So let me Join me guys as we count down to 3, 2, 1, okay? Okay. Alright, okay. Okay, let's do the countdown, everyone. Mr. Marcus, are you ready? Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, that's amazing. And this is Filipino-based designs. Wow! Amazing. Wow. I do agree. I want to. So again, let me call on Mr. Mark Reyes and Mr. Agra. So for ribbon cutting. Alright. Okay.
Dito tayo ng binata. Bibili na tayo sa
So as you all know, this statue is sculpted based on Voltes 5 and it's the legacy version from Robot Spirits. And we also have the cast of Voltes 5 here with us and celebrate this amazing grand opening of Tamashii Nation's first ever pop-up store in the Philippines.
Soon! I see it first. Soon! Go closer. Post everybody. One photo together. Good! One more. One picture. Okay. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1, and let's go! Congratulations, Tamashii Nations! And for our Voltes 5 robot statue here for our a countdown. Help you guys do the countdown. In 3, 2, 1, okay?
Okay.
Yes?
Yes.
3,
2, 1.
Oh my gosh.
That's the one that's
And the amazing. So that's gonna be a real collectible item. I'm pretty sure everyone wants to order this. I can see you, my friends here say, oh my god.
Walang theme song?
Soundtracks here. So as you guys can see in the screen, this will be the product that you guys will be seeing as it's finished.
So the prototype of the Side Super, I saw the SMB program in Japan. This I haven't seen, so this is a surprise to me. Yeah, and I know for a fact that Akira-san and the team of designers really had a difficult time because how complicated the design of Voltes 5 Legacy was. Remember that when we designed Voltes 5 Legacy, we were thinking about how it's going to become a toy. We just thought of it, how it's going to look good on the screen. How people will think of this generation that that's really a robot that works and has all the mechanics and all the engineering. So for them to figure out how to make it look like, how to make it still look like Voltes 5 Legacy and turn it into a toy, it's almost exactly the design that Riot Inc. designed. So there's no change. Usually kasi may mga iba, may mga difference yan eh. Like in other robots, if there's a cheat, even in the vintage Voltus 5, right, nakausli yung tracks ng Panzer. It doesn't look like that in the anime. But here, the way we designed it in the series, in the movie, is exactly the way it is. That's why I'm so impressed with how they did it. I knew that when I asked them when back in Japan, if it was easy, Kira-san said no, still thinking about it. He didn't know how to do the vault-in sequence at that time. So I'm very happy now that I see it and it's here. So again, the whole Philippines must be very proud of this because we're one for the books na yan. So congratulations, Kira-san and team, congratulations. Bandai, congratulations, Greg. When is this available? Next year. Next year? Next year. Good, great.
Thank you so much, Mark.
Thank you.
Direk, I have a question. With the success of Voltus 5 Legacy, what will be the next step in terms of the franchise?
Okay.
That's a burning question we'd like to ask.
Well, we have plans. We do have plans. It deals with a truck. So hopefully that we figure it out and we bring you the next step. For Voltus 5 Legacy, for now, it is what it is. It's the series and the movie. And I hope I'm allowed to say that internationally it will be available already pretty soon. The version that we saw in the Philippines is different with the version that Japan we aired in Japan and we screened in Japan. So there's always upgrades that Success and Mr. Larry Chan has been doing. So they're always improving the product. For the next steps, hopefully I will be old and not get into trouble. We're hoping that the next step is Dinos.
Sir, follow-up question. When will there be a Voltus 5 Legacy video on demand, or is there anything
Voltus 5 Legacy on video on demand?
VOD.
I think they're working on something on that. Yes, I've heard that they're planning to do for a streamer. There is something that's going to be available. But I don't know if there's Blu-ray. I think there's already Blu-ray. I'm not sure if there's a Blu-ray that's going to come out. But that's Blu-ray is still big in Japan, so they might have that. But for the video on demand, just wait for further announcements. I know they're working on something.
Thank you, Direk.
Alright, thank you so much for the question. Here we have another one.
Hi, Direk. My name is Andres from Andres Meron. Sir, after the success sa Japan airing ng series, is there a possible way na magkaroon tayo ng airing dito ng version ng Japanese?
Again, that's up to Telesuccess if they plan to air the Japanese version. But when we were there, we saw how successful it was. We talked, with Mr. Chan and Telesuccess, the hopes of at least showing it in a special screening, the Japanese version. When I was directing the series, I was directing sila Epi, sila Matt, sila Ralph, and si Gabby. Yeah. And I could see them when I was directing them and they were doing the scenes. I see them talking in Japanese because when I was conceptualizing the show, I kept going back to the anime. So ibang klase, if you see it in the way they were dubbed in Japanese, it's a different experience. It's really, we were all excited with the first. I remember that when the cast went there and we saw the first words that came out, they were talking Japanese. We were teary-eyed because it's a very different level. So hopefully you get the chance to see that as well.
Other question.
One more question.
Last one.
Last one, okay.
Question for Sir Akira. Is there plans of making the Skull ship, for example, in other the Busanian ships, in other aircraft or tank, Beast Fighters, in the next line? Yeah, we want to see Beast Fighters.
そうですね。総合超合金の話です。言ってくださいよ。はい、そうしたら可能性が見えますね。
It would be possible if you buy a lot of the Chogoku.
Great answer. I do agree.
Tama. Thank you. Okay. Ikaw, Karen.
Hello, I'm Nico. Nicolas, University of Gaismas. Will the machinations consider... Oh. Hello.
Rapid ka na lang, boss.
Hello. Please answer, please consider this answer. Will the machinations consider expanding concept stores in the Philippines? The machinations ba, Philippine na din, o concept mo, Kakuday o Kenpo Shikemasa? Ano tayo, say that right?
それは俺が答える。それもすべてコルテス5にかかっています。
It will also depend on how much Voltes 5 will be successful.
Bili ka 5. Bili ka na now.
So we are done with our last question. Let me start here.
Pwede magpa-video. Ayan. Are you ready?
Hello, I'm Kraken May, and this question goes out to both Direct Mark and Akira Sensei. So my question is, why do you think Voltes 5 resonates with both Japan and the Philippines in terms of pop culture? So maybe we can go with Akira Sensei first and then Direct Mark. Thank you!
なんですかね、日本人って変な種族で、合体しなくてもいいものと合体すると喜ぶんですよ。
So first of all, the Japanese are a weird species, so if things that don't have to be voted in start voting, you will be happy.
ただボルテス5という作品に関してはやっぱり作られた監督の長浜さんという方がとてもいいドラマを作っていただいてたということがあって、それがやっぱり受けたんじゃないかなと思います。
With regards to Voltes 5, I think that because the director, Mr. Nagahama, created a very good story, that's why it resonated to a lot of audiences.
Thank you so much, Mr. Terano. About Mr. Reyes.
Okay, if there's any anime that is inherently adopted by the Philippines, it is Voltes 5. Remember, it started in the 70s, and then it was rerun and redubbed in the 80s, 90s, and year 2000 by Telesuccess. That's why it has been around. So for my generation to from Gen X, Gen Z, and Millennials, umabot ang Voltes 5. That is why we are familiar with it. And if you go to a karaoke and you hear, is the Voltes 5 theme song. Okay, and even the ending song, My Father, is also popular. There's something with Voltes 5, maybe because of the story, it's about family, and the Filipinos love it being a family. That's why it was easy for us to bring it to GMA and ask GMA to, because it's basically a story about families, not just about fighting robots, it's about the brothers, and then love for the country, and it became controversial. Let's not get into that. But that's why. So it has been in our Pinoy pop culture for so long that commercials use the music, political jingles have used the music. So now we have our own live action series. So that's why. So Voltes 5, I think, is going to be here for a very long time. And with new toys like this, I'm sure the fandom is going to be very, very happy that we'll keep producing. And who knows, this might not be the only version that we come up with.
Thank you, Director.
Thank you so much.